Farming is vital. It feeds the world. From the sprawling fields of wheat in the Midwest to the rice paddies in Asia, agriculture is the backbone of human civilization. It provides the food we eat, the fibers for our clothes, and even some of the materials for our homes. Without farming, our societies would not have flourished as they have. But farming also produces waste. This waste isn't just the leftover crops or the packaging materials. It includes the very tools and machines that make farming possible. Over time, these tools become obsolete or break down, leading to a significant accumulation of waste. Old tractors, plows, and other equipment pile up. These machines, once the pride of the farm, now sit idle, gathering rust and dust. They represent not just a bygone era, but also a growing environmental concern. What happens to this equipment? Often it is left to decay in fields or barns, forgotten and neglected. This isn't just an eyesore, it's a waste of valuable resources. Sadly, much of it ends up forgotten. These machines, which once played a crucial role in feeding the world, are now left to rot. This neglect is not just a loss for the farmer, but for the environment as well. It rusts in fields or sits unused in barns. Over time, the metal corrodes and the once functional equipment becomes nothing more than a heap of scrap. This process of decay is slow but inevitable. This waste is a problem. Not only does it take up space, but it also poses environmental hazards. The rusting metal can contaminate the soil, and the decaying machinery can become a breeding ground for pests. Farm equipment is made of metal. This metal, while durable, is not impervious to the elements. Over time, exposure to rain, wind, and sun causes it to break down. Metal takes hundreds of years to decompose. Unlike organic materials, which break down relatively quickly, metal remains in the environment for centuries. This long decomposition process means that the waste we produce today will be a problem for generations to come. It leaches harmful chemicals into the soil and water. As the metal rusts, it releases toxins that can contaminate the surrounding environment. This pollution can have far-reaching effects, impacting not just the immediate area but also the broader ecosystem. This pollution harms the environment and our health. We need a solution. The chemicals released by rusting equipment can enter the food chain, affecting both wildlife and humans. This makes finding a solution to farm equipment waste not just an environmental imperative, but a public health one as well. We can't keep throwing away valuable resources. The metal in these machines is a finite resource, and wasting it is not sustainable. We need to find ways to reuse and recycle this equipment. The answer lies in creativity. By thinking outside the box, we can find new uses for old equipment. This not only reduces waste, but also gives these machines a new lease on life. We can transform this waste into something useful and beautiful. From art installations to functional furniture, the possibilities are endless. By reimagining the potential of old farm equipment, we can turn a problem into an opportunity. DIY projects offer a solution to farm equipment waste. Repurposing is about giving old items new life. It's about seeing potential, not trash. It's about sustainability. DIY projects with farm equipment are rewarding and impactful. You reduce waste and create something unique. You give a piece of history a new purpose. You express your creativity and ingenuity. Repurposing is easier than you think. With a little imagination, old farm equipment becomes furniture, garden, art, or even homes. Let's start with simple projects. Old plows make fantastic benches. Remove the plow blade and add some wood planks. You have a rustic and sturdy seat. Old cultivators can transform into unique coat racks. Clean the metal and add some hooks. You have a conversation piece for your entryway. Even small parts can be repurposed. Use old gears as decorative accents. Turn metal wheels into coffee table bases. The possibilities are endless. Tractor tires are large and durable. They are perfect for DIY projects. The classic use is a tire swing, but you can do so much more. Cut a tire in half and you have two sturdy planters. Paint them bright colors for a cheerful look. Stack tires and secure them together for a playground climbing structure. Feeling ambitious? Turn a tractor tire into a backyard pond. Line it with a pond liner and add plants and fish. Remember those old milk cans? They were once a staple on farms, used to store and transport fresh milk from the dairy to the market. Over time, as technology advanced, these charming containers were replaced by more modern solutions. But now they are making a delightful comeback, not for their original purpose, but as stylish home decor and garden accessories. These vintage milk cans are being repurposed in creative ways, adding a touch of rustic charm to various spaces. Whether you place them indoors or outdoors, they bring a sense of nostalgia and character that is hard to replicate with modern items. Their vintage charm adds character to any space. Imagine a cozy corner in your garden or patio where a vintage milk can stands proudly, enhancing the overall aesthetic with its weathered look and timeless appeal. You can turn a milk can into a side table by adding a wooden top for a rustic look. This not only provides a functional piece of furniture, but also serves as a conversation starter. Guests will be intrigued by the unique use of an old milk can, and it will undoubtedly become a focal point in your outdoor setting. Or use a milk can as a planter for flowers or herbs. The possibilities are endless. The sturdy structure of the milk makes it perfect for holding soil and plants, and its rustic appearance complements the natural beauty of your garden. The handles make it easy to move around, allowing you to rearrange your garden layout whenever you feel like it. This flexibility is particularly useful for those who love to experiment with different garden designs and plant arrangements. For a unique lighting fixture, turn a milk can upside down and hang it from the ceiling. This creative idea transforms an ordinary object into an extraordinary piece of decor, casting a warm and inviting glow over your outdoor space. Add a pendant light kit and enjoy the warm glow. This not only illuminates your garden, but also adds a touch of rustic elegance. The combination of the vintage milk can and the modern lighting kit creates a perfect blend of old and new, making your garden a cozy and charming retreat. Section 6. Seed Planter, Reinvention, Upcycled Functionality. Old seed planters might seem obsolete in modern farming, but they are surprisingly versatile for DIY projects. Their multiple compartments offer storage solutions. Clean and paint a seed planter, then use it to organize gardening tools, craft supplies, or even shoes. Mount it on the wall for a unique storage display. Add some legs to a seed planter and you have a charming side table. The compartments are perfect for storing magazines or remote controls. Section 7, the showstopper, a grain silo turned guest house. Now for the truly ambitious transforming a grain silo into a guest house. This project requires expertise and planning, but the results are breathtaking. The silo's cylindrical shape offers a unique living space. Add windows, insulation, and a roof. Inside, create a cozy bedroom, a small kitchen, and a bathroom. This project is not for the faint of heart, but it demonstrates the ultimate potential of repurposing farm equipment. Section 8. Unleash your inner artisan, finding inspiration in the farmyard. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities for repurposing farm equipment are endless. Walk around a farmyard with an open mind. You'll be surprised by the potential you see. Old rakes become wine glass holders, horse troughs transform into fire pits. Even rusty horseshoes can be crafted into decorative wall art. Don't be afraid to experiment. Embrace the imperfections. Let your creativity run wild. Section 9. Join the movement Upcycling for a greener tomorrow. Repurposing farm equipment is more than just a hobby. It's a way to breathe new life into old, forgotten items. By taking something that might otherwise end up in a landfill and giving it a new purpose, we contribute to a more sustainable future. It's a commitment to sustainability. When we upcycle, we reduce the need for new raw materials, which in turn reduces pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. It's a small step that can lead to significant environmental benefits. It's about reducing waste, conserving resources, and protecting our planet. Every item we upcycle is one less item that contributes to the growing waste problem. By reimagining and repurposing, we can make a tangible difference. By choosing to upcycle, you join a growing movement of makers and creators. This movement is not just about crafting, it's about community, innovation, and sustainability. It's about coming together to share ideas and inspire one another. You make a statement about your values. Upcycling is a way to show that you care about the environment and are willing to take action. It's a powerful message that resonates with others and encourages them to think about their own impact. You inspire others to think differently about waste. When people see the creative and practical ways you repurpose items, they begin to see the potential in what they might have considered trash. This shift in perspective is crucial for fostering a more sustainable mindset. So next time you see a piece of old farm equipment, don't see trash, see potential, see a challenge. Imagine the possibilities of what it could become with a little creativity and effort. This mindset can transform not just objects, but our approach to consumption and waste. See an opportunity to create something beautiful and sustainable. Upcycled projects can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, adding unique character to our homes and communities. They serve as a testament to our ingenuity and commitment to the environment. Get creative, get your hands dirty, and join the upcycling revolution. Together, we can make a difference, one project at a time. Let's embrace the challenge and turn waste into wonder, showing the world that sustainability can be both practical and beautiful.